Hello guys, today we will be rage baiting players on Bird Game 3.
Alright, here's the fun stuff. This first one instantly sets your level to max. No grinding, no effort. Watch this. Boom. 60,000 and change. Done. Cute, right? Totally legit. Voice in the cards lets me sound like anyone. Cute girl, creepy ghost, robot, whatever mood I'm in. Ooh, I can even do the spooky thing. Matchmaking. Instant damage, full HP delete.
Finish that stupid owl-looking thing!
4-piece, let's go! He's one tap!
Don't choke, bro. Overhand right end it.
Wait, what is he holding?
Huh?
Keeper Russell's energy boom.
No way!
Crash!
He just yeeted him! KO!
Bro, what?
That's broken. That is actually broken.
Aw, that's so nice of you.
Had to, girl. Gotta treat you right, you
Yes,
know?
girl. You're actually the sweetest.
Got you, Simp.
What did I just experience?
Bro got trolled, lol! There's no way he fell for that! Bro said 70k for a bird voice!
That uppercut?
He can't keep doing this! No way! Slip again! Take the PO, loser!
Kid's wild, man. You can't even stand.
Do your homework right now, or your devices will be suspended.
Well, Mom, I'm sorry. I'll go. I'm leaving.
Oh my god.
Account banned. 6 billion years.